This program contains scenes of nonsensical garbage and coarse language and is intended for a mature audience. Viewer discretion is advised.
Why, hello, my little trash bags. How are you? I am doing fantabulous. Today we have a very quick video because I need to get ready pretty fast because I have to go to work and work sucks and it's boring and blah, blah, but I have to get ready really fast. So in today's video, we're only going to focus on a couple of new products. I've already done my base because that's half the battle. So for my base, I use the IT Cosmetics Do It All Sheer Tint Face Balm, paired it with a little bit of the Borean Color Correct, and I'm living my best life, mama. All right, I love this shit. It's actually really good. I really love this skin-like feel. It looks awesome. I can't say enough good things. So in today's video, we have two Too Faced products. It's basically a whole lot of brands. So we're gonna try the ABH stick. The stick that I famously bought the incorrect shade. I thought I bought the new shade. I did order it. I need to go pick it up. I'm a lazy piece of shit, but hopefully today or tomorrow I'll go pick it up. But we have the ABH bronzer, the halftone smooth blur contour in the shade something or other. Oh, halftone, I think that's what it's called. Okay. Then we have the Too Faced Born This Way Super Glow. Technically, you could use this also as a primer, but listen, I know me, I'm never gonna use it as a primer. Ritual Defeat is my primer, so we're gonna use it as a highlighter today. And then I have one of these, the Too Faced Love Flush Glowing Liquid Blush. I don't think I'm gonna have enough time to do eyeshadow, so I'm just gonna probably do something really quickly off camera. I do have some eyeshadow palettes I need to test out, but today is just not that day, so we're not gonna talk about that. This is going to be a very quick get ready with me. Yeah, get ready with me. Anyway, all right, let's try this guy, the ABH one. I can't believe I got the wrong shade. Oh, that's nice though. Okay. Oh, that's a nice color. I was a little worried that this was going to be kind of orangey, but no, it's like a nice, like neutral, almost like, I don't know, like a gray tone brown. I like that. Me up, Santa. I love that. Anyway, how are you? I'm fantabulous. Well, as fantabulous as one can be during this, you know. But no, I'm doing good. Today, I have to finalize some work retreat plans. I'm excited. My coworkers are coming to Florida. We're gonna have, this will be the third year in a row that we do this. I'm so excited. We got an Airbnb, a little mansion. It's so cute. I know, it's so funny that like it's just my coworkers and we're all kind of staying in the house together. It's very real world-esque. It is a lot of fun. We found a place very close to the place that we stayed last time, which we really like that neighborhood. And the houses were, they're just sick. They're sick. They're literally like 9, 10 bedroom, 12 bedroom homes. Everybody has their own bathroom. This particular one has a couple of themed rooms. So some of my coworkers are going to have to stay like in a Toy Story room or a Star Wars room. But it's gonna be fun. There's also a nice pool. And as you know, pretty much the one kind of planning everything, we are not going to be doing Gatorland. We did Gatorland and Medieval Times last year. This year, we're going to the sloth world. As long as it's open, everyone has been tagging me in it and I'm like, bitch, I know, okay? Trust me, I know sloths in the area and I'm so excited, but like there's really no more information other than, okay, it's opening sometime in February. I'm like, okay. So the tickets aren't bad. They're like $50, $49, $50 or so. You can't hug sloths or feed them, and which is totally fine because I think I would be crying. I would scare the sloth because it'd be like, what is this big blob crying in front of me? What is this? And I'd be like, like, no, we can't do that. But I'm just excited to just see them. Hopefully none of them shit on me because I think it's like open air. So I think the sloths are kind of just above you. I don't know. We're gonna see how this works. Whatever, it's Florida. I don't know. But I'm excited though. So we're gonna do that. And then we're also gonna go to a rage room. Isn't that so cool? Oh my God, I'm so excited. I wanna beat the shit out of something so badly. And my coworkers also wanna do that too, which is really great. Find yourself some good coworkers, I swear. It took me many years to find good coworkers. For a while, I really thought like, man, all these people suck, but I'm so happy. COVID all brought us together. Like, we're like a weird Olive Garden family. It's great, but I'm so excited. So yeah, I gotta start finalizing details and start booking stuff because I am an insane person where I like to control everything. I like to plan. I'm a planner. What can I say? I love doing like this. Okay, so that was enough of me yapping. I think this is really pretty. I love the color. I think it's so nice. It is exactly what I like in, and I know this is supposed to be a contour, but this is what I like in a bronzer, where it kind of gives you a little bit of something without it making you look like you just shoved yourself in like a little tanning bed. Like this is just the perfect amount of warmth for me. I love it. I don't think I need anything else, honestly. I mean, I need the other I need the other products, but like, I don't think there's anything else that I really want to do. Famous last words. Why am I doing this? I don't need to do this. I don't need to do that. I didn't need to do that. I think, I don't know, let's add some more. No, I didn't. Yeah, okay, it doesn't do anything. At least that makes me happy. Oh, this is nice though. I feel like I have like a little baby tan. That's cute, I like that. And I don't think it looks orangey at all, right? Famous last words. I don't think it does. I think it looks actually pretty good. So let's move on to this. This is the blush, Glowing Liquid Blush. I have it in the shade Love Better. So let's see. Ooh. Oh. Oh. I'm so sorry. That was gross. I'm sorry. Oh, I don't know how. Oh, this is really light. Okay. Okay. Why did I think this was a little bit darker? Huh. All right. I don't like the component. It reminds me of that one ColourPop product. It was like the lip oil thing. It was just like, and like I always thought I was gonna punch myself in the face every time I opened. That's what it reminds me of. Oh, this is good, bitch. You know what? Too Faced. I'm sorry I doubted you. That is so pretty. Fuck my biscuit, okay? That is so good. That is so vacation-y true. You know what's so funny? I woke up this morning and I was like, God, I wish I was like on vacation right now. And I'm feeling this like little vacation glow. I think I just need to pump myself up. I think I'm a little crazy right now because I'm trying to pump myself up to get excited about work because work is gonna suck dick today. And I'm just really just trying to get myself happy. Like, this is gonna be okay. Like, it's gonna be fine. We're gonna be great. We're gonna be okay. No, it actually looks really good. Oh, bitch. Oh, I love this. It's simple. It's light. It's like I don't know, like it's light. It's simple. I feel good. I feel like normally I would be like, I can't see it. But I think this actually looks perfect. Paired with the bronzer, I think it looks contour stick, whatever. I think it looks really good. But I'm gonna be and I'm gonna add more because mama needs to. Anyway, so yeah, I have to go to work and then I have to start, like I said, kind of finalizing some of the details and garbage. I have to figure out some nice group dinner activities, which I already have one. Kobe is just so good. Kobe is perfect. There's a 50 million locations in Central Florida. It's great. They're all beautiful. I love it. And honestly, there's so many of us that we get our own table and we are just obnoxious little like high schoolers. It's awesome. That's good. I have one dinner planned, but if anyone has really good suggestions on like a good group meal, like just like a good restaurants in Central Florida, let me know. Let me know. Although my one coworker, she's cute. She's like, can we go back to medieval times? I'm like, oh, sweet baby. No. I wish there was like another stupid ass dinner show option, but I didn't really see much of anything. I think there was like one called like Sleuths or whatever, but the food looked like I wouldn't even give that to my enemy. Like it looked up and I was like, I'm not paying $100 to eat whatever the that is. So I don't know if anyone has any like good ideas, good places to go. Also, would you travel with your coworkers? My coworkers are pretty awesome. I like them. I like them. They're fun. And they also know I do YouTube. So that makes it even more fun that I could actually be myself and all that good stuff. So, but you know what's so funny? The retreat is happening when Ulta Beauty World is happening. And I'm not going to Ulta Beauty World. One, I didn't even attempt to try because I was like, my coworkers are coming. I'd rather do that. That's way more fun anyway. But I heard the whole drama behind it. If any of you are actually going, please do let me know down below. Please do let me know. All right, so let's do this guy. This is the Born This Way Super Glow multi-use enhancer guy. So, oh, I don't know if this is going to, okay, I don't know if this is gonna mesh well, but I'm gonna try one dot because this is very milky, semen-y look. Oh, whoa, fuck me. I mean, it's giving semen. But damn, okay, actually, listen, if semen look like this, I'd be putting this on my face. Oh, that is, okay. Okay, bitch. Okay, that is good. Oh, bitch. Okay, hold on. Oh, it's weird. I thought it was gonna be a little bit more pearly, and it kind of is. That's why I was like a little hesitant about putting more on, because I don't know, like my blush and my bronzer are kind of light, so I didn't want it to be like completely overtaking the look. But this shit looks good though. I am just gonna add one more dot just to either side though. We're gonna see how up we can get this. So yeah, going back to Ulta Beauty World. Yeah, you know, I was kind of hemming and hawing about it. If I could have went, I think I only would have went with my mom, because I miss the days of like Generation Beauty and like IMAX, and they don't really do those things, or at least I haven't seen those things kind of being done anymore. So I'm kind of hoping, I don't know, that maybe they'll bring something like this back. I would do that again. I would go with my mom. And it's just a fun little thing. Plus I don't really know anybody that really likes makeup, like friend-wise. None of my friends really like makeup, so my mom's the only person to go. I can't bring Alex with me, although it'd be really funny if I did though. But yeah, okay, that looks so good. I am just going to kind of just beef up that blush a little bit. I'm not taking any more product, just whatever I have left on my brush. And I've been using this. I've actually been really liking it. So we're just gonna add a little concealer. Also, it kind of would help if I told you what the product was, right? The Airbrush Flawless Blur Concealer from Charlotte Tilbury. I still like it. I've been loving it. You're gonna see this video Wednesday. I think I talked about it on Monday, but I've been using it because I've been pre-filming a bunch of stuff and blah, 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 blah. I don't know, I've just kind of been enjoying this. It's good shit. It's good shit. Just gonna take some of that excess and also kind of put it right there just to kind of carve out that area. So yeah, do let me know down below if any of y'all got tickets. I'm so curious. And I hope you did. Nothing is more annoying than wanting to do something and then not being able to go. So yeah, it's so good. I really do love this concealer. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Other than that, everything's pretty swell. Again, as swell as swell can be. This week, Alex and I are going to try, I don't know if anyone is going to any of like the Mardi Gras events at Universal Studios, but they have a bunch of food booths. So we're gonna try that out. So that video will probably be out in like 2 weeks or so, but I'm excited to do that. I was really, you know, if you did see, I was disappointed with the food and wine. So I'm really hoping this will be better. Fingers crossed. I kind of like, I love this look because it really feels like a true like no makeup, no makeup look. And I love that kind of a look, especially if I want to be kind of quick and, you know, run out of the house and stuff like that. But I'm going to add more blush. I feel like the concealer kind of took some of it away. So I'm just going to add a little more blush right there. But yeah, I like looks like this because sometimes when I just have to like, you know, go to Costco, go to BJ's, meander around to Bath and Body Works, you know what I mean? Sometimes I don't want to sit and do like 25 hours of makeup. I want to do something kind of quick and easy and fast. And I feel like this is kind of quick and easy and fast. And I love that. And now I'm just going to be extra little face because now I feel like I need a little bit more of that highlighter. But man, that highlighter is kind of, dare I say, super impressive. Again, I know this can be used as like a complexion booster. You could put this underneath your foundation, but I know me, I'm never gonna do that. So this is the only time I'm actually ever really gonna get used. And I think as a highlighter, this looks really fucking sick and bananas, and I love that. Okay, I'm just gonna do like a very quick eye look. Get this little headband off. Oh yeah, I did my hair the other day. The color's a little bit brighter. It's gonna fade, I know. I'm not used to it because I haven't gotten my hair done in like a couple of months. Normally I have like a pretty good schedule, but because I was moving, I canceled one of my appointments. So I kind of forgot what it's like to have like brighter hair. And I'm like, oh yeah. I guess the brown was kind of growing in on me. It's still there, but it just has to fade. Like every good thing. Okay, anyway, let me go do my eyes really fast. I'm gonna put a little bit of powder underneath my eyes and then, yeah, let's kind of briefly talk about it. Hi, I love this so much. I love it so much. I'm happy with everything and I'm excited that I got the gray one because I like the formula of this. So the ABH little contour, soft blur, whatever stick, it's really nice. I like the color of this one because it's like a brown gray. It doesn't make me look dead. It just makes me look like that kind of perfect vacation glow. I should be using this as a contour. I'm using it as a bronzer, whatever. Who gives a it makes me happy and I love it. I think the formula is just so easy to work with. I know, it's awesome. This is the second cream product that I liked from ABH that came out. I think this probably came out last year or whatever. I'm a fan. I like it. So I'm excited to try the gray one. Fingers crossed that I still love it, but so far so good. The blush, Love Flush from Too Faced. This is, I look like a perfect angel. I do, and you cannot tell me otherwise. I think this is so cute. I want other colors. Am I gonna pick it up right now? No, I'm gonna wait for a sale. But I think blush wise, well, the component is a pain in the ass to open. I like how it applies. It also dries down, so there's no like tackiness or anything like that. It's just kind of perfect. I am a huge fan. I'm a huge fucking fan. I want more colors. I just wish, oh wait, this is ColourPop. Where are you? I hate the component, but I want more colors. And again, this is the color Love Flush. I think it's just like a very perfect makeup, no makeup look. I love that for me today. Then we have this guy from Too Faced. This is so good. This is so good. And there's no stickiness, no tackiness, no greasiness. This dries down beautifully, perfectly. Yeah, I don't even notice any glitter or anything like that. It just reminds me of House Labs, except House Labs I think is a little bit more sluttier. This one's not as slutty, but I still really like it a lot. I don't think any other color is gonna work for me. So I think this might be like my one and done, but I honestly can't wait to try this shit out when I go to Universal. So I'll let you know in an updated video if this shit holds up in the heat, because I feel like if it doesn't, then it's a shame, but I'm happy. Today's a good makeup day. All right, that's pretty much all I got for you today. I'm happy. Today's a good makeup day. Very rare. Very rare, but I'm very, very happy. Anyway, oh yeah, also update concealer, I'm still loving. Face balm, still loving. Just, again, good motherfucking makeup day. Okay, now I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you have any of these products. Do you feel the same way? Are you like, Theresa, no bitch, you are off base. Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And of course, I want to say thank you so much to my beautiful patrons and YouTube members for keeping this garbage boat afloat. I love your faces. And I'll see you little garbage cans real soon. Bye.